In response to the rising COVID-19 cases and to help prevent transmission of the virus, the City of Regina is introducing additional safety precautions for the public and employees this September. And the city's prioritized the protection of health and safety for our employees and for the public since the onset of the pandemic back in March. Starting Saturday, September 4th, masks will be required when visiting indoor city facilities and while riding Regina Transit. And that includes Rider Transit, the shuttle service for the Labor Day Classic this coming Sunday. The health and safety of residents and our staff, again, is our top priority. And masks continue to be an effective way to limit the spread of COVID-19. And yet we, I think, all know by now that the science tells us that the best protection against the virus is to get fully vaccinated. So in terms of protecting our family, our friends, our neighbors, I would continue to encourage that every eligible individual should proceed and be vaccinated. The city's encouraged by the Government of Saskatchewan the announcement of the digital QR code that will be available to individuals through the MySask Health Record account, and that is planned for mid-September. The city is setting a target date of Wednesday, September 15th, to require proof of vaccination for our employees. And we're also working towards requiring proof of vaccination for the public that, again, access our indoor facilities, and that's targeted for Monday, September 20th. And I think you'll see more and more employers and businesses moving to proof of vaccination. It just seems like that is a very responsible thing to do. And, you know, I think there's another piece which is, you know, if you're not vaccinated and you want to be able to participate in, you know, life in your community to the fullest, there's a bit of an incentive there to make a choice and be vaccinated and be able to participate, or make a choice that, you know, you're not going to go to a Rider game, you may not go to a concert, you may not go to a Pats game, etc. So that'll be a personal choice that people will have to make as we move through the pandemic in the coming weeks and months.